Okay, so I'm about to just sleep on my back for a whole week. Pimple here, trying to get rid of some here, and here. My skin has just been acting up. This is my problem side for acne, and also it's the side I sleep on every night, so maybe that has something to do with it. This side, I have a pimple right here that literally popped up yesterday. We're just gonna see within a week what happens just by forcing myself to sleep on my back. I will see you tomorrow with my pillow. It is Friday, January 25th. I am going to be sleeping again. This one is gone though. I have an acne scar though because I kept picking it, so do not pick your acne scars. That's something that's like an unrealistic thing to say because sometimes you just can't help it. You know what I'm saying? But ideally you shouldn't touch your face at all, but we have our days. It happens. I'm going to bed right now and I will see you tomorrow. This is what my skin is currently looking like still. So, we're just gonna have to wait and see again if my acne will go away from sleeping on my back. Okay, so this is what, Monday? The January, no, wait, is it Monday? Oh my god, I think it's Tuesday. Where is time going? It's Tuesday, January 30th, 29th. I'm having my days mixed up so much. Today is the 29th. We're seeing some clearing. Things aren't as prominent. Okay. The only thing is I have this thing now. I'm just saying it is so hard to train yourself how to sleep on your back. It takes time. It takes effort. Yeah, the struggle is definitely real with this one. So this is where I keep my bed or my pillow. I don't use these. They're just kind of there. I use this one. You basically lie down like this. You have two sides. You know, you can't really move, right? Like you literally cannot get out of this position unless if you physically move, which sometimes I do because sometimes I'm just like, I cannot sleep on my back for the life of me. But I used to be such a good back sleeper when I was younger, and now I don't know what's wrong. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm so tired. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow. Is a Wednesday, January 30th, 11:30, so I should probably go to bed. This is the final day of trying to sleep on my back. My skin is not looking, oh my god. It's not looking too bad, I guess. From here, it just looks really red, but I mean, they're pretty much flat. Like these are non-existent. These, no pimples. The only pimple is this one right here, you see? All these are just really red scars. I didn't know scarring could be that red. I'm just gonna give it one more update and I will check you in tomorrow morning. Oh, it is Thursday, January 31st, 10:30 a.m. I just woke up. Well, I woke up about a couple hours ago. I feel like it's pretty darn clear now. Well, this was once a pimple, maybe like a couple days ago. And these are just really bad scarrings now. If you could sleep on your back, you are blessed. Like, you are at an advantage. You have amazing skin, even like wrinkles, because like so many people, obviously the sun is like #1 corporate of aging, and like smoking of course, and drinking and eating bad and all that. But also, did you know that also sleeping on your side has a role to aging? Because your head is pressed against the pillow, it's squished, it gets moved around. So not only bacteria grows and forms, but also like your skin is constantly getting pulled 8 hours a day, right? Because you sleep for that long, hopefully, some of us. But yeah, dang, my scars though. It's clear that my pimple is definitely faded. I don't think I have any acne like right now on my face. Oh, there's like one right there. But I mean, honestly, it does not hurt to try to save up for one of those pillows. Like, obviously I'm not sponsored by this pillow. This company doesn't even know who the heck I am or I even exist. I mean, I guess I could link it because this is the cheapest back sleeper pillow I found like on the internet. That's the only reason why I bought it, because back sleeper pillows are so expensive. But it's called My Back Sleeper. I could link it down below if you're interested. I bought it with my own money, so it was like $80, everything said and done or something like that. It's kind of expensive, but if you keep it for a lifetime, you know, you could remove the case, wash it, put it back on, because it's like removable. But yeah, sleeping on my back, or at least attempting to, because I was not perfect. Definitely was not perfect. Some days I magically woke up on my side. I don't know. I feel like I move when I sleep a lot. I start by sleeping on my back, and then I end up in the morning waking up on my side somehow. So I don't know, I must have some crazy dreams. Yeah, definitely does not hurt to train yourself to start sleeping on your back. You could even line up the pillows a certain way to like put a pillow on each side, kind of, maybe to prop your head, to make it not want to move and squirm around. Because I feel like in the future, your face will thank you for sleeping on your back. I think I've watched this on the news or something. They've done studies where like ask what side the person sleeps on, and then they actually put their skin under a microscope or whatever, and they can just like tell what side you sleep on the most, because that side has the most wrinkles and like the most sagging. So yeah, try to sleep on your back, because I've been reading about all this like aging and acne, and like literally sleeping on your back probably does so many favors for you. So yeah, it's not a bad idea. I definitely am satisfied with the outcome. Just not the scarring. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you are. And please subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you in the next video. And okay, peace.